Ready, set, run. I'm Miss Kaarya, and today we are crafting something super fun and full of motion. Our very own Pakda Pakdi paper game. Imagine characters chasing each other using just paper, glue, and a straw. Curious? Let's build a moving masterpiece that'll have your fingers spinning with excitement. Let's go! Step 1. Gather your materials. To create our DIY running character craft, you'll need a rounder compass for drawing circles, scissors, glue, sketch pens, a straw, chart paper. Got everything? Great! Let's begin. Step 2. Creating the base circles. Take chart paper and draw 2 circles of 10 cm diameter. And 2 smaller circles of 8 cm diameter. Cut them out neatly. Mark the center of each circle. This will help us later. Now, let's create the moving leg mechanism. Step 3. Designing the leg movement. Take one of the bigger circles, 10 centimeters. We need 3 equal parts on the circle. Using a rounder, compass, place it on the edge of the circle and draw an arch. Repeat this 3 times to form petals. Number every alternate petal. This will help with placement. Now, on the numbered petals, draw straight lines from the center to the edges. Erase the petals and numbers, but keep the center lines. This is where we'll draw the legs. Step 4. Drawing the characters and legs. Take one of the smaller circles, 8 centimeters. Sketch a fun character. It can be running, excited, or even laughing. Outline it in black marker. And color it. Brown for hair, peach for skin, pink for the top, blue for the pants. Now, let's go back to the larger circle where we marked the leg positions. Draw the legs in motion around the center reference lines. Sketch pants and shoes. Outline and color. Blue for pants, gray for shoes. Repeat this process for the second set of circles, but with a different character. Now, both characters are ready. But how do we make them run? Let's assemble. Step 5. Creating the moving mechanism. Take the circle with legs and poke a hole in the center using a rounder. Make the hole bigger using a pencil. Take a straw and cut it into 2 2-centimeter pieces. Now, let's build the rotating system. Take the leftover chart paper and cut small circles, 3 centimeter diameter. Glue one end of the straw onto a small paper circle. This will act as a base. The other end of the straw stays free. Take the legs part circle and insert the free end of the straw through the hole. Now, take the character face circle and glue the free end of the straw to the bottom side of the character. Let it dry completely before testing. Step 6. Making the characters run. Now, the fun part. Hold the upper character piece with one hand and rotate the lower circle with the other hand. Watch how only the legs move. It looks like the character is running. Repeat the same process for the second character. And just like that, our Pakda Pakdi tag game is in play. Woohoo! Your running characters are zooming across the paper. Whether it's a superhero, a silly cartoon, or even you in paper form, this Pakda Pakdi craft is pure fun. Want more? Add a track, a playground, or even a crowd cheering them on. If this made you smile, hit that like button and subscribe for more moving, grooving paper adventures. I'm Miss Kaarya, signing off. Until next time, keep crafting and keep chasing creativity.
Da 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 da